Hi there, YouTube. My name is Arthur Gottlieb, and I'm going to tell you the same thing I've been telling you for 10 years. If you're looking for a business, I can put you into a business that you can easily succeed at. If you sign on as a student, because that's what I do, I teach you a business, you'll be able to learn and succeed in the targeted direct mail business without having to buy a franchise, which often costs $100,000 plus. If you don't understand what a targeted direct mail advertising business is, it's this: the Valpak, the Clipper magazine, the Home Mag, the Money Mailer. It's the envelopes, magazines, and newspapers you get in your mailbox. It's the Red Plum. These guys are publishers, and these guys are making a fortune selling advertising to the local businesses and mailing their media products to the homeowners that are surrounding the businesses. And you can do the same thing, and I can teach you how to do it. You can sell ads to businesses and make a fortune in this business. Average incomes for publishers are $200,000, which is why these franchises cost $100,000. As a matter of fact, if you go on this one, the Home Mag, and follow it through to the franchise, they tell you their average publishers are making $400,000 a year. So that's twice what I'm telling you you can make. And if you sign on as a student, and I've been teaching people for 10 years already, I can teach you the business for just the price of my time. If you visit my website, Fun News Franchise, there's a link in the description. You can learn a little bit about the business, or actually a lot about the business. There's an 8-video playlist detailing the business in very thorough detail. I mean, you really learn a lot. You learn so much that you can go out immediately and start selling advertising to the businesses in your area. So you can start this business for free, and then you can determine if you can succeed in it or not before you sign on as a student. FunNewsFranchise.com. This business is so easy. You can succeed part-time from home, and I'll help you do it. I've been helping people, like I say, for 10 years, and I can do it for you as well. Now, besides teaching and training and helping you succeed in the business, I provide you with samples. This is my sample paper, which make selling ads easy and effortlessly. Because what happens is you visit the businesses and you're offering them an ad, a full color ad just like this. It's 3 times the size of a business card, delivered in the mailbox of all the households surrounding their business. And you can do it for them for 1 cent, and you can get rich. A business card costs 3 cents, and for 1 cent you can deliver your paper to all the mailboxes that are surrounding the business's location. So they all sign on. It's an easy sale. And besides being easy, you make a fortune doing it, and I'll explain in a minute. But anyhow, this business is unbelievable. Selling to businesses, there's nothing better. They never run out of money. and they always want to do more advertising, and they always want to do better advertising because they're greedy. And their greed and their desire for success is what can make you rich. Now, the way it works is when you, on a 12-page paper, which is the minimum size that you can do, you take in $10,000 worth of advertising, and it costs you $3,000 to print and mail the paper to 10,000 homes surrounding the guy's business. In other words, if your zip code is 11111, you'll mail your paper to all the houses in 10,000 houses in 11111. And you'll visit the businesses that are in the zip code 11111. So naturally, they're going to have a lot of interest because you're mailing your paper to all the households that are surrounding their business, their best prospects. And there's 3 people in a house. So there's a potential of 30,000 customers when you mail your 10,000 papers. If the business owner were to buy 30,000 business cards, forget about it. It would cost him $9,000. And you're going to do it for him for $100, and you're going to deliver it to the businesses. I mean, it's unbelievable. If you do 24 pages and not 12 pages, instead of making $7,000 that you make on a 12-page paper, you'll make 3 times that money because the postage remains the same. I teach you how to do the bulk system, so the postage remains the same whether your paper is 12 pages or 36 pages. So when you do a 24-page paper, which is the most popular size, your printing costs don't go up, your postage costs don't go up, and your printing cost goes up less because you're printing more. So instead of making $14,000 on a 24-page paper, you're going to make close to $20,000, and you can have your first paper out in just a few weeks. This business is not new. It's not rocket science. The mailboxes and envelopes are arriving in your mailbox now. These guys are getting rich, and a lot of them are my students from over the years. Visit funnewsfranchise.com. Click on the link in the description. The video playlist will teach you the business. You can start immediately. There's nothing as good as selling to businesses. Nothing as good as starting for free. Nothing as good as working from home and making a fortune doing it. And you can start this business and operate it part-time while you keep your job. Nothing can compare with it, which is why the franchises cost so much money. Learn to do it yourself with my help. If you're serious about being in business, this is your best choice. If you cannot succeed in this business, you're not going to succeed in any business. Visit funnewsfranchise.com, watch the videos, and you'll see for yourself. Otherwise, you could be looking at videos and scams for many years to come. This is a legitimate opportunity. It's not a big secret. I teach people what I succeeded at. I've been a successful newspaper and magazine publisher for years, and then I started teaching people to do the same thing. It's not a big deal. The phone rings in my home, but don't call. Don't call until you watch the 8-video playlist, so that when you do call, your questions will be good and you'll have at least a basic understanding of the business. Anyhow, my name is Art, And my website link is in the description, and it's funnewsfranchise.com. And stop spinning your wheels and go to my website. Bye-bye.